Explore how easy it is to add additional functionality to your Google suite of products. Within this course, we're going to be covering how to set up an email trigger so when your users fill out your Google form, the data gets added to a spreadsheet and it also triggers an email to be sent to them automatically as they fill out the form. You can use the form data within the email as well. So we're going to show you some advanced functionality where you can generate a PDF on the fly, use email templates, and also set up regular messaging to your users that have signed up, opted in for it within your spreadsheet by looping through the spreadsheet data. With just one function and one line of code, you can extend your form submission trigger to an email response. And we're going to show you even more that you can do. Track all of the responses within a spreadsheet and then use your data. Google Script is the best way to automate your Google suite of products. It's best of all, it's free and easy to use. This course is taught by an instructor with over 18 years of web development experience, ready to help you learn about Google Scripts. So what are you waiting for? Jump right in and start developing out your own version of this application from scratch.